Hey guys, I'd like to go over the hood removal process with you. The hood's really not that difficult to get off, but it's like there's no hood latch, right? So where do you start? I just want you to know that there's 6 screws and a few wires to unplug and the hood's off. So we'll start by removing the side panels. The tools that you need to remove the hood are included with the sled. You can use this little tool that's attached to your clutch cover. That will take it off, but in the interest of saving time, I have a little bit more easier to operate tool. So the first 2 screws that I remove are underneath the storage compartment lid. Go ahead and take those 2 screws out. I like to just drop them in the storage compartment so I know where they are. And then you can pull this panel up with the instrument cluster in it. Pull it, lift it, and slide it forward. Just like that. And then there's the wiring harness that needs to be unplugged from underneath. Just like that. And then you can set this aside. At this point, the storage compartment can come right out. And there are 2 screws that are located behind the storage compartment and underneath the instrument cluster. This is a 25 Torx, by the way, if you're looking for the right size. There's also the last 2 screws right here. And it's the 2 with the washers, this little washer. There's also another screw back here. It does not need to come out. So just take the 2 screws with the washers. Drop it in the storage compartment, set that aside. We have 2 wiring harness connectors here on the headlights, the gray ones, and then there's the air sensor wiring harness. And then I just like to peel the harness back and tuck it under the steering post so that it's out of the way. Now I have 1 more screw to loosen, and that is actually located behind the clutch cover. So I'll go ahead and remove the clutch cover. Put my clip on that, set it aside. And just with a flat screwdriver, I'll reach in, and there's a hose clamp right here that tightens on where the airbox, the hood airbox, connects with the throttle body airbox. And I really don't like to tighten this clamp. I run it just tight enough that it'll slide in and out without having to find that screwdriver. There we go. Just go ahead and slide it off. And now the hood's off. So not too bad of a process. Again, it took it required the removal of 6 screws and undo the wiring harness and the air intake. This is the hose clamp that we were talking about earlier, right here. And like I say, it's not necessary to clamp that down every time. I just like to make sure that it slides together the way it's supposed to. And so when you go to put the hood back on, it takes just a little bit of practice, but I like to start by bringing this plastic pieces kind of high and feed it back over the console, and then it kind of falls into place. Make sure that before it gets back too far, there's this little clip right here, goes into this slot and slides back on both sides of the hood, just like that. And at the same time, there's a clip right here at the back that slides together too. And it looks like it slid in just the way it's supposed to. At this point, it's just a matter of putting the screws in, hooking up the wiring harness, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please leave me a message in the comments section, and we'll get back to you when we can.